Greetings fellow pagan pals. Today we're making my favorite tea infusion made with red clover blossoms for day 7 of our spiritual cleansing journey. Tea infusions are a kind of tea made in larger batches and requires a longer steeping time to draw out the high amount of trace minerals and other beneficial elements, so they're perfect for adding into our cleansing journey and can even be used to enhance spell work. I learned how to make tea infusions from my mom, who learned it from her teacher, Susan Weed. A link to her website is listed below if you want to learn more on the subject. To get started, put your kettle to boil and make sure you have plenty of water in it to fill up a 1-quart mason jar. I mentioned that I will be using red clover blossoms. I got them from Mountain Rose Herbs. Their link is below as well, but I will also add just a touch of peppermint leaves. When the two come together, they taste just like an unsweetened tea, if not even better, you guys, so it's really great for beginners. The general rule for preparing tea infusions is 2 cups of flowers per quart and 1 cup of herbs per quart. If you have a scale, then it's 1 ounce per quart for both. Add a spoonful of peppermint leaves, and then when the water comes to a boil, carefully pour the water into the jar. Use your spoon to completely submerge the tea and top it off with more water. Cover with your lid and leave it to steep for 4 to 10 hours. You can also leave it overnight. Now when you go to open it, you may notice that the lid has sealed itself to the jar, so I use a butter knife to help loosen it up. Drain it out into another mason jar and use a small sieve to press out the water from the flowers. Store it into the fridge for up to 3 days. With red clover, you can drink up to 4 cups a day, and whatever tea is left over, you can feed it to your houseplants. Remember to subscribe now, become a pagan pal, like up this video, and tune in for day 8 of our 10-day spiritual cleansing journey. Bye!